Want to make your website pop with smooth, elegant zoom effects that grab attention without heavy JavaScript? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create zoom effects using only CSS, 2 ways, both responsive and lightweight. Perfect for image galleries, product previews, portfolios, or just adding a touch of wow. Stick around to the end for a pro tip that will make your effects even smoother, and I'll also show you how to host your project on Verpex hosting for top-tier speed and performance. Why use CSS for zoom effects? Zoom effects are a subtle but powerful way to improve user interaction. They're widely used in online stores, galleries, and even blogs, without the need for JavaScript or bulky animation libraries. By using CSS, you keep your site fast, efficient, and easy to maintain. Zoom Effect Method 1 with Container. Let's start with the classic method, using an HTML container with overflow, hidden. HTML. CSS. When you hover over the container, the image inside zooms in. Notice how we use transform, scale 1.5 to enlarge the image and transform origin to control where the zoom is focused. Set it to the center, top left, or any custom point depending on your design. Zoom Effect Method 2 without extra container. Now let's take it up a notch. This second method doesn't need an extra wrapper. Instead, it uses CSS variables and clip path to achieve the zoom. CSS with variables. This technique uses clip path to crop the image dynamically based on the zoom level. The variables X and Y define the zoom focus point, while clip path ensures that the image stays within bounds, even when scaled up. This is especially useful when you want cleaner HTML or if you're working inside a CMS where adding extra wrappers isn't ideal. Real-world applications. Here's where these effects really shine. E-commerce, zoom in on product textures and features. Portfolio sites, let visitors interact with artwork or photography. Blogs and articles, make featured images stand out without slowing the page down. All done with just CSS. No JavaScript. No performance hit. Pro tip, use transitions and timing. For an even smoother effect, add a transition property. Here's a quick tweak. This makes the zoom feel less abrupt and adds polish. You can even combine this with hover overlays or cursor effects for more interactivity. Hosting your CSS projects with Verpex. Now that your CSS effect is ready, make sure it performs just as smoothly for your users by hosting it on Verpex hosting. Here's why developers love Verpex. Super fast servers with global coverage. Free SSL certificates for every domain. Daily backups and automatic updates. Unlimited websites on select plans. 24/7 live support. Whether you're launching a portfolio, client site, or e-commerce platform, Verpex gives you the speed and reliability your projects deserve. That's how you can create stunning zoom effects with nothing but CSS. Which method will you try first, overflow, hidden, or the clip path trick? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more no-code and low-code tutorials, and check out Verpex hosting if you're serious about speed and reliability. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.